Okay, so just a demonstration here. This is a board that I purchased from Ripter here. It actually is working well. The audio is not so much. I mean, it's all right, but it gets crackly if you try to go any higher. I've got the amp set about a little less than halfway. If I go any higher, it'll start getting crackly and start breaking up. But anyhow, here's the board set I started with here. Fire it up.
Operation Wolf.
Alright, so it's passable. I mean, if you try to increase the volume at all, it'll just start breaking up and getting crackly, and it's just, you can't get the volume any higher. So anyhow, this second board here is one that I shipped off to Kabajan here. I had put the cabinet away for maybe about a year. When I powered it back up, I had nothing. So I'm just basically going to go ahead and turn this off here. And we're going to swap the boards. I'm going to go ahead and set the camera down here. Unplug all this with a flashlight in my mouth. Alright. Swap this board out. And put in the board we just got repaired. Okay, plug everything back in. Alright. Alright, so if you look at the amp, it's adjusted slightly low. Power up. Here's what we get. So that should demonstrate that. Now see, I've already swapped this out with another one right here. I've also replaced components on both. Nothing has affected this at all. I've got the gun shut off. I've replaced the speaker. Doesn't do anything. None of that has any influence. I've replaced the power supply twice. This is a problem with the board set. This is clearly a problem with the board set. I don't know where, but it is. So that should demonstrate that clearly. So, all right, I'm going to check out here. I'm going to throw the other board back in there. I'd really like to get some decent audio out of this someday. So, all right, guys, catch you later. Bye.